What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to set the Truecaller app as your default phone app. So as you can see here, I have my normal phone app which comes with the Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So as you can see, this is the default one that you're currently using, but if you're using Truecaller, then you want to go ahead and actually like pressing it and move it all the way down into dispatch. But you'll have to remove one of these apps so that you can have a free slot to drop it in. And to do that, just press whichever one you want. So let's say I want to remove the WhatsApp, I can press on it, and here you have remove, not uninstall but remove. Do that and it's going to free up a space, and then you can just simply move it. In this case, the one that you will actually move is this one here, which is the phone app. Just simple click and remove, and you have the Truecaller app that you can just simply move down here and make that your app. So how do you set this as default? Yeah, let me go ahead and just put back my WhatsApp in the list here. Let me just put the WhatsApp back into my list here. And to do that, you want to open up the Truecaller app, right? And put it as your default. Just simple go ahead and click on the your account on the upper left. And then from here, scroll down and go to settings. And at the top, you will see enable now. And it says set Truecaller as your default app. You set that as default. And once you enable it, it becomes your default applications for your calling and your messaging and so forth, right? And that's pretty much it, guys.